Good afternoon, sir. Our topic is solar powered mini car. The main objective of our project is to build an efficient and economical solar car which does not create any pollution. And the solar powered car runs on the energy from the sun. And the main components of our solar model is solar panel, wheels, DC motor, DC battery fixed inside, and the connecting wires and switch. Now the working principle of our project is the solar mini powered car works solar using the energy from the sun. The solar model tilted towards the sunlight and converts the sunlight into DC electricity. When the solar energy is converted into DC electric current connected to the DC battery through wires, and the DC battery connected with the DC motor gives the power required. When we turn on the switch and the motor attached with the wheels starts to rotating and car moves forward.